I've been working on trying to fix this Liverpool pedal for quite a while. I normally just take a really good look at these circuit boards and I can find something that's wrong with them. This one's all surface mount, which makes it really hard. I mean, I could replace these ICs because I can see what the part numbers are, but there are little transistors in here. I have no idea what those part numbers are, so I'd be pretty much lost without a schematic, which I doubt I could find. However, I just started looking at this thing really carefully, and I'm always suspicious of the power supply stuff because that's usually where things burn out. Somebody hooks, you know, a positive center instead of a negative center, and something blows out. Well, I started poking around here. I got my optical visors on, and there are two dry solder joints right here on these two little surface mount resistors. I can't believe it. They're 680 ohms, 68 ohms a piece. And when I put my clip here on one of them, actually I used the, still have it connected somewhere here, SMD tweezers, I get nothing. Or one of these gives me 68 ohms, the one that's just about to break off here. And the other one I get an open circuit, basically. So I'm really kind of skeptical that this might actually be the problem. All I have to do is replace these two little guys or solder them in or whatever. I think one's bad and the other's coming off here because it had a dry solder joint just popped off. So I broke the contact on that one. But I need to replace that and we should be good to go. Well, maybe. We'll find out. It's exciting though. Such an easy fix. Sure enough, the two resistors were not even touching the circuit board on one lead. So I snapped the 680s off and put on 470, which is 47 ohms. I didn't have 68 ohms, so I went with 47. We'll try it out, see if this works. This would be pretty awesome if it does. Alright, here it is. Guitar in, and out goes to my famous Mario pipe amp here. Let's see how it sounds. See if it works. Working. Really nice looking pedal, pretty well thought out, lots of good controls. It's just a fatal flaw to have your circuit board not soldered all the way. I mean, they need, you know, another issue there with quality control. They got to fix that. But yeah, it's a really cool pedal. Glad it was able to get itself repaired here. Sweet, I can't believe it works.